Let's see if we get this bolt up on there, and I'll take this off of here, all this strapping and stuff. I could do this with a much smaller piece of strap. A pretty little fix right there, I think. I might could do a lot of this work with it standing up like this. See, we can still, I think, roll this around and set it somewhere, hold that down, and have it sit somewhere and not bother us. One thing I did learn is not to get your hand caught in this little pinch point right here, because it makes blood come out of your body. So I'll keep that in mind. See if you ever do something like that. Anytime you see a boat, an aluminum boat that's been repaired with fiberglass, not a good repair. It's not going to work, and sometimes this fiberglass will catch the water in it and it'll act like a reverse sail to keep you from being able to move through the water. Now what I'm going to be looking at and looking for is leak points. Now I can see where somebody's put a little gob of goo on a lot of points like this here. Y'all even running? There you are. Now this stuff here is, it looks like an epoxy that might actually be good enough to hold. I don't know. But at this point, I don't even know if that stuff I got will work. But my thinking is, I remember seeing a particular bad spot on here. And my thinking is, if it would work, it would be an ideal little fix or something like this. I think I want to get this front end down lower. Not exactly sure how to do that. But I want to be able to get where I can see right in here, because I think this is, yeah, see right here. Now that's 10, and that's a big. Let me do this. Let me switch screens real quick. Now, right here, this is the bottom of the boat. This is 10 right here. There may be an internal piece inside that, because I see something metal inside of there. And I don't know if they've put something in here. I see daylight, I think, right here. Yeah, see this? See that daylight when I push on that? So, back out of here. So that needs to be fixed, and this stuff needs to be ground off of it so I can get to it. So maybe what I'll do is just lower the front end down here. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I can do that using these sawhorses if I'm tricky enough. I'm pretty tricky sometimes. Sometimes I am. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to try to just get a screwdriver and if I can chip off whatever it is on the bottom of this thing. By the way, I said I love today yet. I am loving this warm weather. It ain't exactly summer. But it ain't exactly bad either. So what this is what I thought looked like a second floor wasn't. It's just where this floor is overlapping where the crack is. I had a little hammer. I like to tap on that a little bit. That's opening up the hole pretty good. They make some boat paints that's supposed to seal the bottom of a boat too, but I feel like that'd be asking too much for it to seal a big old hole like that, you know? From the inside and from the outside. And see, this crack goes way up here. I don't know if I can sand some of that off or not. I'm tempted to try a little grinding on it, but also thinking that'd be a really good way to make a much bigger hole than what I got now. I was thinking I might have a wire brush, but I don't. I might have to do some very careful grinding. Might require a little bit of a steady hand. I don't recommend y'all try that. Yeah, that crack comes from way up here, goes to way down here. They say to rough it up with a wire brush. I got a wire brush. I'll go look around and see. Well, cross your fingers and hide your eyes. I'll give this a try. See if I can remember how to light this thing. Oops, it's got some gas coming out, don't it?